Nanputuo, South Putuo Temple, is one of the most famous Buddhist temples in Xiamen, Fujian, with a history dating back over 1,000 years. It was founded in the late Tang Dynasty, when Buddhist monks first built a small temple and place of worship near the Wulao Peaks. Over time, the temple went through many changes and was known by different names. During the Yuan Dynasty, it was damaged and dismantled, but it was later restored and brought back as a Buddhist temple in the Ming Dynasty. A major rebuilding happened in 1684 during the early Qing Dynasty, when General Xiamen donated funds to expand the temple. A special hall for Guanyin, the goddess of mercy, was built, and the temple was named Nanputuo, meaning South Putuo, because it is located south of Mount Putuo in Zhejiang, a famous holy site connected to Guanyin. In the early 1900s, Nanputuo became an important center for Buddhist education. In 1925, the Minnan Buddhist College was established there. The temple was heavily damaged during the Cultural Revolution and was even turned into a factory. It was renovated again in the 1980s and reopened as a major religious and tourist site.